Welcome to our channel. In this video I'm going to show you how to copy Instagram profile URL link. So let's start. At first you have to open your Instagram app. In here tap on the profile of yours, and after that tap on the menu bar. Then you'll find the QR code option. Tap on here. Then if you tap on share profile, you can share the profile link of yours to other apps of your device, or you can copy it by tapping on copy link. Then you can send it to your friends through other apps like this way. So this is how you can copy your Instagram profile URL link. See how easy it is? We put lots of effort every day through videos to make your life better. If it helps, please subscribe and like. Until next time, bye bye.